Hey, this is Aryan. We are going to check out my SQL series starting with the first video. In this video, we will go over the introduction and installation. I will explain what SQL is and how to fully install it. So what's SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a language that follows a specific structure that can use a ton of keywords with it. Normally, we use SQL for tasks like creating, retrieving, updating and deleting data, those four main operations. We basically need to focus on the operations. Here and there are plenty of keywords related to it. Basically, we use these keywords functions will work for us. So that's why we are concentrating on these four main operations in SQL. For instance, we took a library for a real life example. If you look at library, you will see a ton of books from different journals and authors. So we are diving into that. When we go to the book, we just tell them what we need, like I want this author, this title, this journal, and they get it for us. It's super easy, like a library. They have this schedule that makes it simple to filter through journals and books. Everything we need is already grabbed and available, so it shows up from all the states. Next, what's database? Is basically the collection of data. It's just not just one type of data. There are many kinds. You store in the tables and it need to be formatted in different ways. So the way we categorize the data into relational and non-relational database, we can say relational database we are talking about ones that follow SQL, which means they have certain structure to them. A relational database is basically like a table in Excel with rows and columns. So that's what a relational database is all about. If I say relational database, it can store stuff like documents or key values pairs. When you look at what database are out there, a relational database doesn't have a fixed structure. It can be unstructured or semi-structured. Let's talk about this. We are going to dive into how to set up database, specifically focusing on relational database. We all have seen database management system, DBMS, right? They go by many times MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, Microsoft, and they are pretty similar overall. The real difference are just small tweaks here and there, like with Excel. So managing them isn't too complicated. Now let's check out how to install MySQL. Let's see what's happened. Okay, here we going to check out the MySQL installation. If you have given the MySQL download for Windows, just click on the first open option and something like this will pop up. It will show you the latest version to download. Then that pop-ups, just hit no thanks and select just start. I have already downloaded it, so let's go ahead and double click on it now. Just go ahead and install it. A pop-up will open like this. Click next to create it and then execute the download. Once it downloaded, hit next again. It will say ready to install. Click on execute to start the installation. Just keep clicking next. You will see all these authentication. I am going to enter my password now. Click next. Keep clicking next and then execute to finish up. Click next again. Alright, now everything's set up for you. Just hit CMD, open command prompt and type MySQL-V to check MySQL version. It will show you the latest version you have installed. So go ahead and click on MySQL. And make sure you enter your credential. Then head over to MySQL server and your page will be right there. It should already have a scale shape setup. So the next execution shouldn't take long. Your page work is now open and that's your MySQL page. Just click on that. If you have done that, when you enter the password, it will open. So this is the part of it. Thank you.